Hello friends, do you have a form which you may be using on regular basis? Or need to send forms to others to fill it? Filling the form by handwritten and then scanning it to send back the filled form is time-taking and waste of paper. Today in this video we will create fillable form in Adobe Acrobat in a very easy way, which you can easily download and upload after filling it directly. No scanning or handwritten needed. Okay, to make any fillable form, we need a form to which we need to convert it to PDF format. So we take any hard copy form and scan it for this purpose. Now I am using employee details form for the purpose of this tutorial. You can use any form, which you may need to use on regular basis. Scan the form in PDF format. Open the PDF format file in Adobe Acrobat DC. Then select Tools. You will see under Forms and Signatures, Prepare Form. Click Prepare Form. This will take you to Form Preparation section, where it will ask, select a file or scan document to begin. As we have already opened the selected file, click on Start. Here you will see that Adobe Acrobat automatically selects the fillable area automatically. Sometimes it works just fine, but many times it will select area which is not required. So we will delete all unnecessary fields which may be wrong. On top you can see all types of field you can use to make fillable form. Selecting the field is easy. In this example, for employee title we can select radio field. For name and address we can select text field. For date of birth, date field, etc. Select the required field from the tools above and place it where it is needed. Select the tools as per your choice and needs. If needed, you can also set the field type either for text or only numeric field. Once all fields are selected, save it. Now you have made a fillable form in a very easy method. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.